ये लाइट वेट है कितना
We have private tents and the hired tents. So the private tents are people come here with their own tents and they pitch them here, and the hired tents are behind us.
उसके अंदर जो लेते हैं ना नॉर्मल तो कहते हैं कि कैंपिंग के लिए जो स्लीपिंग बैग होते हैं उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने
And Hazur straight away wanted to check how waterproof the tent was, because obviously he was very concerned about how comfortable it is for the guests of Prophet Messiah to lie down in. Hazur asked me to lay down inside the tent, see how big it is. So I think the main concern for our Caliph was the comfort for our guests that are coming in this Jalsa. He was asking about the aspect of the comfort from the size point of view, and also from whether there will be any water seepage, or if it rains a lot, then whether the water would come into the sleeping compartments. So he was quite concerned about that.
passport